Success is something many people dream about, but few believe they truly deserve. Some think success belongs to those who are born rich, highly educated, or given opportunities early in life. Many women are taught to wait for permission, for the right moment, or for someone to believe in them first. But the truth is, success does not ask where you came from. It only asks how willing you are to work, to stand back up, and to keep moving forward even when life is difficult. This is why the story of Diane Hendricks matters. Diane Hendricks did not graduate from high school. She did not grow up wealthy or privileged. She was born Diane Marie Smith on March 2nd, 1947, and raised on a dairy farm in Wisconsin. As one of 9 children, life was simple, but it was not easy. From a young age, she learned that hard work was not a choice. It was a way of survival. Even then, she knew she wanted more. At just 10 years old, she dreamed of independence. She imagined wearing a blue suit, driving a nice car, and earning her own way in life. Life, however, did not follow a smooth path. Diane became pregnant at 17 and later divorced, becoming a single mother with bills to pay and no safety net. Instead of giving up, she did what she had to do. She worked as a Playboy bunny for a year, a job she openly describes as glorified waitressing. She says it simply: you do what you've got to do. There was no shame in earning honestly. There was strength in surviving. At 21, Diane entered real estate. She earned her license and sold custom-built homes, often from simple plans. She worked long hours, learned through experience, and refused to quit. One of her clients was Ken Hendricks, a roofing contractor and also a high school dropout. They shared the same work ethic and vision. They fell in love, married, and became business partners. Together, they noticed a major problem in the construction industry: the lack of a nationwide supply distribution system. In 1982, they founded a BC Supply to fill that need. They started small, with only a few branches. But Diane believed in one principle: work harder than anyone else, and never compromise on quality. As a woman in a male-dominated industry, she faced doubt and resistance. But she proved herself through results, not words. Today, ABC Supply is the largest privately owned distributor of construction materials in the United States, with over 700 branches and around 17,000 employees. Diane Hendricks is now 77 years old, oversees multiple companies, and is worth $21.9 billion as of 2024. She is the wealthiest self-made woman in America. But her true power is not her wealth. It is her example. Diane Hendricks shows women that your past does not define you. Your effort does. You do not need permission to succeed. You need courage, discipline, and the willingness to work hard, even when no one is watching.
If you love inspiring stories like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.